Okay, this one's for Gabby.
Of day, I like the dark.